To our in-depth look at the 2026 Nissan GT-R, a name that's been synonymous with raw power and precision for decades. It's now reimagined for a new generation of performance enthusiasts. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GT-R commands attention. The sculpted body looks sharper, lower, and even more aerodynamic than before. The front fascia carries Nissan's signature V-motion grille. Now framed by slimmer, adaptive LED headlights that cut through the night like laser beams, air intakes are larger, feeding the twin-turbo V6 with more oxygen. While the hood lines are more aggressive, giving the car that unmistakable Godzilla stance, walk around the side. And you'll notice the aerodynamic efficiency baked into every contour. The wider fenders and redefined side skirts aren't just for show. They help manage airflow to keep the GT-R glued to the road at high speeds. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels are wrapped in sticky, performance-oriented tires designed to deliver maximum grip, while the carbon fiber accents on the mirrors and rear diffuser signal the GT-R's racing DNA around back. The iconic quad-circular taillights remain, a respectful nod to GT-R heritage, but now feature 3D LED technology for a futuristic touch. The massive quad exhaust tips roar with authority, and an active rear spoiler automatically adjusts to improve downforce during high-speed cornering. Step inside, and it's clear Nissan wanted the GT-R to feel both luxurious and driver-focused. The cabin features a mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather. With contrast stitching that elevates the interior's sporty feel, the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, turbo boost pressure, lap times, G-forces, while a new 10.8-inch infotainment system brings modern tech like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. The flat-bottom steering wheel is redesigned for better grip and control, with paddle shifters mounted perfectly for track use. Every switch and dial is positioned intuitively, making the driver feel in total command. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a hand-built 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that now pushes an astonishing 600 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. Each engine is assembled by a single Takumi master craftsman in Japan, ensuring flawless precision. The updated dual-clutch 6-speed transmission shifts faster than ever, launching the GT-R from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.8 seconds. Power is channeled through Nissan's advanced Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, which dynamically distributes torque between the front and rear axles, keeping the GT-R stable in every condition from tight mountain curves to rain-slicked highways. The 2026 GT-R also debuts an upgraded suspension system, with adaptive dampers that continuously adjust to the road surface and driving mode. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving up a racetrack, the ride remains balanced, responsive, and precise. Steering feedback is sharper. Braking performance has been improved with carbon ceramic rotors for fade-free stopping power. Nissan's engineers have fine-tuned every element from the chassis stiffness to the electronic stability control, making sure the car delivers confidence without compromising its raw edge. Despite all this power, the GT-R remains surprisingly approachable. It's not just a car for professional racers. It's a car that adapts to you. In comfort mode, the cabin quiets down, the suspension softens, and the GT-R becomes a grand tourer capable of long drives with ease. Switch to R mode, and everything tightens the throttle response. Transmission mapping, and even exhaust acoustics, transforming the car into a full-blown performance monster. Fuel efficiency isn't the GT-R's main focus, but improvements in turbo efficiency and weight reduction have helped make the 2026 model slightly more eco-conscious. Nissan's use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum not only improves handling, but also enhances overall efficiency. The 2026 Nissan GT-R is more than just a car. It's a statement. It represents the perfect fusion of technology, tradition, and thrill. It's for those who crave control, speed, and the unfiltered connection between driver and machine. While many supercars aim for luxury or exclusivity, the GT-R stands for something else. accessible, attainable, and relentlessly fast performance that challenges vehicles twice its price. From its thunderous exhaust note to its pinpoint handling, the 2026 Nissan GT-R continues to prove why it's earned its legendary nickname Godzilla. It's not just a machine built for the track. It's an experience built for the soul of every driver who believes that performance should never go out of style.